how to calibrate the temperature on a MacMedical or FHC warming cabinet. This model specifically is a DWC24-G. So the first step is to get your probe, as I told you in other videos, close to the temperature probe of the cabinet you're looking to calibrate. Once that is done, close your door, give it about 10 minutes or so to reach temperature. It's just not fluctuating anymore. Then you have to remove the top. Inside you'll find a calibration button. See that black guy right there? This guy next to the nuts in the top cabinet. While you're pressing that, you have to hold down the set and up arrow for about 3 seconds until your display changes to a J1C or INT. Then you can let go of set and up. Continue holding the button in the back. You have to hold this the entire time until everything's finished. Alright, so once you get that J1C or INT, hold down the set for 3 more seconds. It'll change to another value, an INB, I believe it is. Then you can let go of set and arrow, move your up arrow or down arrow to get to the temperature difference of what it is. So if you're reading 100 here in the actual and your thermometer says 108, then you would go up 8 points. Once you're done, hold the set button out for 3 seconds, so go back to your normal display, then you can finally let go of the button in here. Alright, let me show you how this is done. You want to be as close to the device's thermometer as possible without your tip touching any metal. So on these FHC MacMedicals, your temp probe is inside this little cabinet here. If you see that right there, that guy in the middle, that's your probe. There's my probe. See my tip not touching anything. Sorry, my camera's not. Okay, right there. See my probe, the brown yellow guy right there, directly above the unit's probe. Ow, bitch. Alright, once you close the door, double check. Make sure the cable didn't move your probe anywhere. I can see we're still good. Alright. I don't want to cook my thermometer, but I said give it about 10 minutes. I can see here. Let these two adjust. Okay, so like I said, been about 10 minutes. You can't see both, but my display appears as 103. Down here I'm saying about 113, so almost by about 10. So I'm gonna hold the inside button, press both of these. 1, 2, 3. There's the window we're looking for. Continue holding the inside button. Just press set until you get to that one. I said we're off by 10, so we're going to go up 10 times. There we go. Press and hold set for about 3 more seconds till it goes back. There we go. Let go. Of course, we're alarming because we're really fucking high. So the temperature's going to come down a bit. Set the alarm. And let it cool off. You see we're in alarm mode, but not heat mode. Heat's not on. Now, I gotta wait a while again. said give it like 10 minutes to adjust. We'll see where we're at. These are way too high right now. So I've got the door open to let the cabinet cool off a little bit quicker. Adjustments, I am still about 3 or 4 points higher than it really is. So just letting it go. You could adjust now if you want, but it's kind of pointless. But if you want to jump back in again, once again, buttons. There we are. 5, 8, down 1. Hold down that set button again for 3 seconds. There we go. Now you can look over, buddy. Closer. 104, 105 up here. So I'm just back and forth until it's, you know, when you're settled actual temperature, your thermometer line up. Also keep in mind your set point. It's going to be constantly trying to get there, so it'll be turning the heat on and off to get to that. So you want to try to be as close to that as you can when you're making these adjustments. I mean, right now, door open, but whatever, I'm 103, 3.5. 3. Pretty close right now, but you know, perfectionist. Tweaked it a few more times, and now we are perfect. 104 here, 104.2 down there. And that's it. That is calibrating the temperature on an FHC Future Health Concepts or MacMedical warming cabinet. Good luck.